Mountain Glaciers Melting by Vetta, Angelow. Glaciers are giant masses of compressed snow that form part of the Earth's landscape. Glaciers are located in the mountains of Europe, Russia and Siberia, the Himalayas, the central mountain chains of Asia, Alaska, East Africa, South America, New Guinea, and Antarctica. Recently, scientists have been observing the rise of sea level and the melting of glaciers all around the world. Since 1850, Europe has lost half of its alpine glaciers. This is a picture of Rhone Glacier in the past and in 2010. The Himalayan glaciers have been retreating over the past 30 years, and over the last decade, this process has been accelerating. This picture shows the Himalayan mountains change between 2002 and 2005. Almost all Alaskan glaciers have been melting. The rate of thinning has doubled over the past 5 to 7 years. Half of the water flowing into oceans worldwide is due to melting glaciers in Alaska. This is a picture of Muir Glacier in 1941 and in 2004. The Andes Mountains contain the largest number of tropical glaciers, but they are also receding at an accelerated rate since the 1990s. This is a picture of a glacier in Colombia before and after it started thawing. Since the early 1990s, African glaciers have decreased by 60% to 70% as well. This picture shows a time lapse between 1912, 1970, and 2000 in Mount Kilimanjaro and the effects of global warming on the glaciers. Greenland alone contains 12% of the world's ice, and large portions of its ice sheet are sliding towards the sea. This will result in higher sea levels. This Greenland ice sheet changed dramatically from 2009 to 2011. Scientists have concluded that the melting of glaciers and sea level rise is caused by global warming. Temperatures have been rising, and they will continue to rise between 1.4 and 5.8 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Now, why should we care about these facts? First of all, many areas need glacier water for irrigation or to generate electricity. Second, plants and animals in those regions are dependent upon small amounts of seasonal cold, fresh water from the glaciers. They cannot thrive without it, and humans depend on some of these species, such as salmon and cutthroat trout. Third, humans living in mountainous regions are endangered due to melting glaciers. When glaciers melt, the water settles into valleys and forms instant lakes, like the lake in Corycalis, Peru, shown in this picture. In 2006, an avalanche crashed into the lake, causing it to overflow and flood the village below. There is little humans have done so far to prevent global warming and the melting of glaciers affecting the world. Scientists do not have enough research about this phenomenon, and we do not have a plan for action in the future. Thank you for watching.